Winning actually made me worse. I just didn't realize it at the time. I thought successful people just figured it out faster than everyone else. They didn't. I'd try something, it wouldn't work, so I'd move on. New idea, new plan, new start. And for a while that feels productive, like you're making progress. But you're not building anything, you're just restarting. Then I noticed something that bothered me. The people actually winning weren't winning all the time. They were just still there. Lose, adjust, repeat. I remember putting months into something. Late nights, planning, fixing, reworking. I really thought this is the one. And then nothing. No response, no traction, no sign it even mattered. That kind of silence is loud. It makes you question everything. Your skill, your direction, even yourself. But that silence showed me something winning never did. When you win, you move on. When you lose, you look closer. You start asking better questions. You notice patterns. You see what you were blind to before. Winning hides flaws. Losing exposes them. And exposed problems can actually be fixed. So I changed how I approached everything. I stopped trying to be right and started trying to improve. More attempts, more reps, more chances to fail. I wasn't chasing wins anymore. I was chasing feedback, and feedback only shows up when something goes wrong. From the outside, it looked like nothing was working. Same effort, same failures, no results. But under the surface, everything was changing. Decisions got sharper, mistakes got smaller, recovery got faster. I wasn't failing less, I was failing better. And then something shifted. One thing worked, then another, and suddenly people said, "That happened fast." It didn't. It just looked fast because nobody was watching when I was losing. So if you feel behind right now, good. That usually means you're still in the part where most people quit. Don't rush to win. Stay long enough to understand why you're losing, because the people who win aren't the ones who avoid failure. They're the ones who outlast it. Trade smart or don't trade at all. Get back to the process. Get back to work.